Nathamba. Yeah, it is Kumara Gana Nathamba. The Ga is Alpa Prana. Nathamba. Tha is Mahaprana. Ba is Alpa Prana. Then Tushtif. It is not Dushti, it is Tushtif. There is one Visarga in between T and Pu. So the Visarga goes and Tushtif, Pushtir, Mathir, Dhritihi. Dha is Mahaprana. Dhritihi, there is one Visarga at the end of the line. Then Shantis. You can see one Visarga in between. Shantis, Swastimati, Khantir, Nandini. The Da is Alpa Prana. Vighna Nashini. The Ga is Mahaprana. I'll chant now. Kumara Gananathamba Tushtif Pushtir Mathir Dhritihi Shantis Swastimati Kantir Nandini Vignanashini. I'll repeat once again. Kumara Gananathamba Tushtif Pushtir Matir Dhritihi Shantis Swastimati Kantir Nandini Vignanashini.
Santana Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am. Kumaragananathamba Tustif Pushtir Madir Tridihi Santis Swastimati Kantir Nandini Vignanasini.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
It is not Gantir, it is Kantir. Until 90th of the shloka.
Your voice was not audible then. Just now we could hear you. What correction you have made to her?
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am. Line number 94 first. Is it Shantif or Shantis, ma'am?
Shantis.
Shantis.
You can see one Visarga in between. Yeah. Am I audible now, Priya?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Shantis,
Yeah.
right, ma'am?
Yeah, ma. Shantis
Okay,
Swastimati. It is not Gantir, it is Kantir.
Thank you,
Kantir
ma'am.
Nandini Vighna Nashini.
Thank
So
you,
go
Guruji.
to, welcome, ma. 95th shloka. Tejovati Trinayana Lolakshi Kamarupini Malini Hamsini Matha Malayachala Vasini. There's no pranas here. Tejovati Trinayana Lolakshi Kamarupini Malini Hamsini Mata Malaya Chalavasini. I'll repeat once again. Tejovati Trinayana Lolakshi Kamarupini Malini Hamsini Mata Malaya Chalavasini.
Radha Dhanraj. Radha Dhanraj ID. Geeta VV24.
Yes, ma'am. Tejovati Trinayana Lolakshi Kamarupini Malini Hamsini Mata Malaya Chalavasini.
Good, ma. Good. I'll move on to 96th shloka. Sumukhi. That key is Mahaprana. Nalini. Subhruhu. That bha is Mahaprana. Subhru. That ich there. Okay. Shobhana. Bha is Mahaprana. Suranaika. Then Kala Kanti. The T is Mahaprana. Kantimati. Shobhini. It is not Shobhini, it is Shobhini. Okay. It is Shobhini. Ba is Mahaprana. Sukshma Rupini. Okay. Sukshma Rupini. Sumukhi Nalini. Subhruh. Shobhana Suranayika. Kalakanti Kantimati. Shobhini. Sukshma Rupini. Let again repeat. Sumukhi Nalini. Subhruh. Shobhana Suranayika Kalakanti Kantimati Shobhini Sukshma Rupini.
Satyabhama, ma'am, your audio is breaking. Some connection audio.
Namaskaram, Mami.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram, Mami.
Is it clear now?
It's breaking sometimes
Is that clear?
in between. It's better now.
Oh,
Namaskaram, Mami.
I don't know, Kanna. Namaskaram. Cholungo.
Sumukti Nalini Subhru Shobhana Suranayika Kalakandi Kantimadi Shobhini Sukshma Rupini. Thank you.
That is Kalakanti. Okay, ma? Second ta.
Okay.
Kalakanti. Okay? Yeah. Kalakanti.
Ma'am.
Your voice is not clear, ma.
Ma'am.
Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, and the Subhru Iswarada, ma'am, anga Shobhanan Kaiduanala Visargam Ishwarada. Huda Varma.
No, I told this it Iha. Okay, it is Ishma. Sorry, it's Ish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Subhru Shobhana. Yeah. Then 97th shloka. Am I audible, ma?
Now,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Vajreshwari Vamadevi. Da is Alpaprana. Vayo Vastha. Sa is Mahaprana Vivarjita. Then Siddheshwari. The first Da is Alpaprana. The second one is Mahaprana. Siddha Vidya. The first is again Siddha Vidya. The first Da is Alpaprana. The second one is Mahaprana. In Vidya, the Da is Alpaprana. Then Siddha Matha. The Da is, first Da is Alpaprana. The next one is Mahaprana. Siddha Matha Yashasvini. Vajreshwari Vamadevi Vayo Vastha Vivarjita. Siddheshwari Siddha Vidya Siddha Matha Yashasvini. I'll repeat once again. Vajreshwari Vamadevi Vayo Vastha Vivarjita. Siddheshwari Siddha Vidya Siddha Mata Yashasvini.
Jayapriya. Jayapriya.
Namaskaram.
Vajreshwari Vamadevi Vayo Vastha Vivarjita Siddheshwari Siddha Vidya Siddha Mata Yashasvini.
Good, ma. We'll move on to 98th shloka. Vishuddhi. The first Da is Alpaprana. The second one is Mahaprana. Chakra Nilaya. Raktavarna Trilochana. There is one avarga in between Ya and Ra. It is Raktavarna Trilochana, but while chanting, we'll chant like this. Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilochana Nilaya. Okay? Yeah. Then Khatvanghadi. The second Kha. Khatvanghadi. The Kha is Alpaprana. Di is Alpaprana. Khatvanghadi. Praharana Vadanaika. That is Alpaprana Samanvita. Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilochana. So don't break in between Nilaya Raktavarna. It should be a continuous one. Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilochana. Khatvanghadi Praharana Vadanaika Samanvita. I'll repeat once again. Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilochana. Khatvanghadi Praharana Vadanaika Samanvita.
Tamil Selvi.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Visuddhi Sakra Nilaya Rakta Varna Trilosara Katvankadi Pratna Vadanaka Samanvita.
Listen to me, ma. I'll chant once again. Have to correct your mistakes. Is
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
It is not, yeah, it is Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilochana Khatvanghadi Prakarana Vadanaika Samandita. Next one.
Visuddhi Sakra Nilaya.
Go to 99. Okay. It is not Chakra, ma. It is Chakra.
Ma'am, repeat பண்ணுங்க ma'am.
Chakra
Visuddhi
Nilaya Raktavarna.
Visuddhi Chakra Nilaya.
Madam, it is not
Ratnavarna.
Visuddhi.
Visuddhi.
It is Vishuddhi.
Vishuddhi Sakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilokasana Katvankadi Prakrana Vadanaka Samanvita.
Yeah, it is Praharana, ma. Okay, just listen to me.
Prakarana Vadanaka Samanvita.
Yeah, well, I'll move on to 99th shloka. Payasana Priyat Vakstha. The Tha is Mahaprana. Pashuloka Bhayankari. The Bha is Mahaprana. Then Amrthadi. The Di is Alpaprana. Mahashakti. Samvritha. Dakinishwari. Da is Alpaprana. It is not Daginishwari as everybody says. No, it is not. It is Dakinishwari. Okay. Payasana Priyat Vakstha. Pashuloka Bhayankari. Amrthadi Mahashakti. Samvritha Dakinishwari. I'll repeat. Payasana Priyat Vakstha. Pashuloka Bhayankari. Amrthadi Mahashakti. Samvritha Dakinishwari.
Kanishka Ishwara Murthy. Kanishka Ishwara Murthy.
Hello.
Ready, ma?
Chant it, Panna.
I'm
What
not
is
able
this
to hear
shlo-
anything, Kanna.
No. Which sloka number is it?
99th shloka, ma. 99th shloka.
Please be attentive, Panna.
Ayasanna Priyat Vaksda Pashuloka Bhayankari Amrutadi Mahashakti Sanvruda Dakinishwari.
It is Payasana. Okay?
Okay.
It is Payasana.
Ayasana. Okay.
Yeah. Dakinishwari. I'll chant once again. Payasana Priyat Vakstha. Pashuloka Bhayankari. Amrthadi Mahashakti. Samvrtha Dakinishwari. Now I go to the
Can you tell the third word? First line, third word once again?
Tvakstha.
Tvakstha.
Yeah. We'll
Okay.
move on to 100th shloka. Anahatabja Nilaya. That ba is Alpaprana. Anahatabja. It is not da. Anahatabja Nilaya. Shyama bha. Bha is Mahaprana. Vadanadvaya. The first da is Alpaprana. The second one is also Alpaprana. Then Damshtroj. Da is Alpaprana. Jvala. Damshtroj Jvalaksha. Okay. Jvalaksha. Then Maladi. The D is Alpaprana. Dhara. Dha is Mahaprana. Rudhira. The Da is also, D is also Mahaprana. Samstitha. The T is Mahaprana. Anahatabja Nilaya. Shyamabha Vadanadvaya. Damshtrojvalakshamaladi. Dhara Rudhira Samstitha. Repeat. Anahatabja Nilaya. Shyamabha Vadanadvaya. Damshtrojvalakshamaladi. Dhara Rudhira Samstitha.
Prema 89 ID. Yesterday also I called, you didn't turn. Prema 89.
Yes, ma'am.
Chant,
Anahatabjanilaya Shyama Bhavadanattvaya Dhamstrojvala Kshamala Rutira Samstitha.
Maladidhara. You have to stress on the dha. Okay?
Maladidhara. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Samstrojvalakshamala rutira samstita. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll
Thank
move
you.
on to 101st shloka. Kalaradhyadi. The D is Alpa Prana. Shaktyogha. Ka is Mahaprana. Vrita. Snigdhav. The Gha is Alpa Prana. Dhav. Snigdhav. Dha is Mahaprana. Dhanapriya. Da is Alpa Prana. Mahavirendra. The Da is Alpa Prana. Varada. Again Alpa Prana Da. Rakhinyam. Rakhinyam Bha. Bha is Alpa Prana Swarupini. Rakhinyam Bha Swarupini. Yeah. Kalaratyadi Shakyogha Vrita Snigdhau Dhanapriya. Mahavirendra Varada Rakhinyam Bha Swarupini. Chant once again. Kalaratyadi Shakyogha Vrita Snigdhau Dhanapriya. Mahavirendra Varada Rakhinyam Bha Swarupini.
Prasanna Suresh. Prasanna Suresh. Savita Shetty. Savita Shetty.
Yes, ma'am. Kalaratrayadi Shaktubhna. Sorry. Kalaratrayadi Shaktubharvita Stignaudana Priya Mahavirendra Varada Rakinyambha Swarupini.
Yeah, it is Kalaratyadi. Okay, it is not Ratriyadi. It is Kalaratyadi Shakyogha. Okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
We'll move on to 102nd shloka. Manipurabja. The Da is Alpa Prana. Nilaya Vadanatraya. Da is also Alpa Prana Samyuta. Vajradi. Da is Alpa Prana. Vajradika Yudho. The Do is Mahaprana Peta. Then Damar Yadi. The Da is Alpa Prana. Damar Yadi. The D is also Alpa Prana. Bhiravrita. He is Mahaprana. Manipurabja Nilaya Vadanatraya Samyuta Vajradika Yudhopeta Damar Yadi Bhiravrita. Repeat once again. Manipurabja Nilaya Vadanatraya Samyuta Vajradika Yudhopeta Damar Yadi Bhiravrita.
Ragini. Ragini. Veena Bandi. Veena Bandi. Meera Balaji. Veena Bandi is there. Okay.
Manipurabja Nilaya Vadanatraya Samyuta Vajradika Yudhopeta Dhamaryadi Bhiravruta.
Yeah. Yudho. Okay. Vajradika Yudhopeta. Okay, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma. So we'll move on to 103rd shloka. Raktavarna Mamsa Nishtha. The Ta is Mahaprana. Gudanna. It is not Kudanna. Okay, it is Gudanna. Gu is Alpa Prana. Again, Da is Alpa Prana. Gudanna Prita Manasa. Then Samasta Bhakta. The Tha is Mahaprana. Sukhada. Ka is Mahaprana. Da is Alpa Prana. Lakinyamba. Tha is Alpa Prana. Lakinyam, not Laginyam. It is Lakinyamba Swarupini. रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा गुडान्न प्रीतमानसा समस्तभक्तसुखदा लाकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी. I'll repeat once again. रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा गुडान्न प्रीतमानसा समस्तभक्तसुखदा लाकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी. Priya?
Ragini, she was unmuted during the class. Ragini? Srija,
Yeah.
only once only you will get, ma.
Ma'am, third word, can you
Okay,
repeat?
I say Raktavarna. Sorry.
Others, please be unmute, please. Others, please be unmute, please.
Chant, ma.
Yeah, Ragini, unmute and chant.
I was yeah. Raktavarna mansanishta gurana pritamanasa samasta bhakta sukhda lakinyam va swarupini.
Good, ma. Then we'll go to 104th shloka. Swadhishtanam. Tha is Mahaprana. Swadhishtanam. Again, 2 is Mahaprana. Bhujagatha. Who is Alpaprana? Gatha. Ga is Alpaprana. Chatur. It is not Sadur. It is Chatur Vaktra Manohara. Then Shulad Yayudha. It is not Sula. It is Shula. Shulad. The Da is Alpaprana. Shulad Yayudha. Da is Mahaprana. Sampanna Pita Varnadhi Gharvita. So there is one avagraha in between. So don't stop Pita Varna Di Garvita. No, it is Pita Varnati Gharvita. The Ga is Alpaprana. It is actually Ati Gharvita. Yeah, when you chant, you have to say Pita Varnati Garvita. Swadhishtanam Bhujagatha Chatur Vaktra Manohara Shulat Yayudha Sampanna Pita Varnati Gharvitam. Once again. Swadhishtanam Bhujagatam Chatur Vaktra Manoharam Shulat Yayudha Sampanna.
No, ma'am, audio is not clear. It's gone, ma'am.
Which one, ma?
Your audio.
You're not able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Half the way it went off, ma'am.
Okay, I will again chant.
Yes, please.
Swadhishtanam Bhujagatha Chatur Vaktra Manohara Shulatya Yudha Sampanna Pita Varnati Garvita.
Annapurna, mute yourself. Nageshwari.
Yes, ma'am. Swadhishtanam Bhujagata Sadurvaktra Manohara Shulaptya Yuddha Sampanna Veda Varna Digarbita.
Pita Varnati Garvita. Okay? Yeah. It is Chaturvaktra. Okay.
Ma'am,
I'll
just
move on.
this shloka, can you repeat once, ma'am, please?
Which one, ma?
Ma'am,
Fourth
the same shloka,
Yeah.
104.
Yeah. Swadhishtanam Bhujagatha Chaturvaktra Manoharam Shulatya Yudha Sampanna Pita Varnati Garvita. Okay? Yeah. And move on to 105th shloka. Welcome, ma. Medo Nishtha. The Dho is Alpa Prana. Nishtha. Again, Mahaprana. Madhu. The Du is Mahaprana. Prita Bandhin Yadi. Ba is Alpa Prana. Dhi is Mahaprana. Bandhin Yadi. Again, D is Alpa Prana. Samanvita. Then Dadhyanna Sakta. First da is Alpa Prana, the second one is Mahaprana. Dadhyanna, Sakta, it is not Shakta, it is Sakta, Hritaya, da is Alpa Prana, Kakini, Rupa, Dharini, dha is Mahaprana. You have to say Dharini, okay? Yeah. Then Swarupini, yeah, like that. Medho Nishtha, Madhuprita, Bandhinyadi Samanvita, Dadhyanna Sakta Hridaya, Kakini Rupadharini. I'll again chant. Medho Nishtha, Madhuprita, Bandhinyadi Samanvita, Dadhyanna Sakta Hridaya, Kakini Rupadharini.
Sandhyavalli. Sandhyavalli. Sandhyavalli is there? You raise your hand. Kalyani Bandaru. Kalyani Bandaru.
Madam Sandhyavalli.
Please come fast, ma, on the line. Please chant.
Madam 104, madam.
105, ma.
Okay.
Pay attention in the class. Yeah.
Okay, sorry, madam. Medho Nishtha Madhuprita Bandhinyadi Samanvita Tatyanna Sakta Hrudaya Kakini Rupadharini.
Yeah, it is Dadhyanna. Okay? Dadhyanna.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll move on to 106.
Dadhyanna Sakta Hrudaya Kakini Rupadharini.
It is not Hridaya, it is Hridaya. R-I. Hridaya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hridaya.
Move on to 106 shloka. Mooladharam. Tha is Mahaprana. Bhujarudha. Bhu is Alpaprana, and then Rudha. Da is Mahaprana. Panchavakrasti. You can see one avagraha there. Vakrasti. The thi is also Mahaprana. Samstitha. Again, the thi is Mahaprana. Then Ankushadi. It is not Angu. It is Ankushadi. The thi is Alpaprana. Praharana. Varadadi. Da is Alpaprana. Di is Alpaprana. Nishevita. Mooladharam. Bhujarudha. Panchavakrasti samstita. Ankushadi praharana. Varadadi nishevita. I'll repeat. Mooladharam bhujarudha. Panchavakrasti samstita. Ankushadi praharana. Varadadi nishevita.
Kalyani Bandaru. Kalyani Bandaru. Vandana Unni.
Namaskaram, ma'am.
Namaskaram. Solungo.
Mooladharambujarudha panjavaktrasthi samsthita ankushadi praharana varadadi nishevita.
Good, ma. Move on to 107th shloka. Mudgaudana Sakta Chitta. That Mudgaudana, the first da is Alpaprana. Gau is also Alpaprana. Dhana Sakta. Da is also Alpaprana. Sakta Chitta. Sakinyam. It is not Sakinyam, it is Sakinyam Bhasvarupini. Bha is Alpaprana. And then Agnya. Okay, it is Agnya. Chakrabja. The ba is Alpaprana. Nilaya. Shukla Varna. Shadanana. The da is Alpaprana. Mudgaudana Sakta Chitta. Sakinyam Bhasvarupini. Agnya Chakrabja Nilaya. Shukla Varna Shadanana. I'll chant once again. Mudgaudana Sakta Chitta. Sakinyam Bhasvarupini. Agnya Chakrabja Nilaya. शुक्लवर्णा षडानना.
Kausalya Bhupati. Kausalya Bhupati.
Yes, ma'am. Mukthaudhana Shakta Chitta.
It is not Shakta, ma.
Shakinyamba.
It is not Shakta. It is Sakta. Saraswati sa.
Sakta.
Ah.
Sakta.
Hmm.
Mukthaudhana Shakta Chitta. Shakinyamba Swarupini. Agyana Chakrabja Nilaya. Shukla Varna Shadanana.
You have to correct in it Sakta Chitta. It is not Shakinyam. It is Sakinyam. Okay, it's all Saraswati sa. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Then we'll move on to 108th sloka.
Ma'am, can you say the second line, first word, ma'am?
Agnya.
Ajna. Okay.
Yeah, Agnya. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Then I will chant once again the sloka. Mudgaudhana Sakta Chitta Sakinyamba Swarupini Agnya Chakrabja Nilaya Shukla Varna Shadanana. I'll move on to 108th sloka. Majja Samstha. Ka is Mahaprana Hamsavati. Mukhya. The Ka is Mahaprana Ka. The Shakti Samanvita. Haridra Naika Rasika. The Haridra, that is Alpa Prana. Hakini Rupa Dharini. That is Mahaprana. Majja Samstha Hamsavati Mukhya Shakti Samanvita. Haridra Naika Rasika. Hakini Rupa Dharini. Majja Samstha Hamsavati Mukhya Shakti Samanvita. Haridra Naika Rasika. Hakini Rupa Dharini.
Madhuri Elluru. Madhuri Elluru.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste,
Hello,
ma'am.
Madhuri. Hi. Yeah.
Majja samstha hamsavati mukhya shakti samanvita haridrannaika rasika hakini rupa dharini.
Excellent. We'll move on to 109th sloka. Sahasra Dala. The Dha is Alpa Prana. Padmahastha. The Dha is Alpa Prana. Padmastha. Sorry. Sahasrala Padmastha. Tha is Mahaprana. Sarva Varnopa Shobhita. He is Mahaprana. Then Sarvayudha. Dha is Mahaprana. Dhara. Dha is again Mahaprana. Shukla Samstita. The T is Mahaprana. Sarvato Mukhi. The T is also Mahaprana. Sahasradala Padmastha. Sarva Varnopashobhita. Sarvayudha Dhara Shukla Samstita. Sarvato Mukhi. Sahasradala Padmastha. Sarva Varnopashobhita. Sarvayudha Dhara Shukla Samstitha. Sarvato Mukhi.
Sangeeta Shekhar. Sangeeta Shekhar. Kala Mehraj. Kala Mehraj. Kamal Nathan, sir. Kamal Nathan, sir. Lokesh Srinath Ganapati. Lokesh Srinath Ganapati. Kamal Nathan, sir. Okay.
சொல்லலாமா மேடம்?
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
சொல்லுங்க.
மஜ்ஜா சம்ஸ்தா இதுதானே மேடம்? மஜ்ஜா சம்ஸ்தா ஹம்.
சஹஸ்ரதலமா?
ஓகே மேடம் சொல்றேன் மேடம். சகஸ்ரதல பத்மஸ்தா சர்வ வர்ணோபசோபிதா சர்வாயுததரா சுக்ல samstida sarvato mukhi.
1 minute, sir. It is Padmastha. It is not Padmasta. It is Padmasta Sarva Varnopa Shobhita. Shobhita illa. Shobhita. And then Sarva Yudha Dhara Shukla. Okay, it is not Sukla. Shukla Samstita Sarvato Mukhi. Yeah.
Okay, madam.
110th shloka.
Sagasrat. Can I tell, madam?
Solungo.
Sagasradala Padmasta Sarva Varnobashobita
Varnopa.
Sarva Yuda
Varnopa illa. Varnopa.
So okay, madam. Sarva Varnopashobita Sarva Yudadara Shukla Samstita Sarvato Mukhi.
Good. Yeah. And we'll move on to 110th shloka. Sarvaudhana. Da is Alpa Prana. Prita Chitta Yakinyam. Ba. Ba is Alpa Prana. Swarupini. Swaha. Swadha. Dha is Mahaprana. Matir Medha. So Swatha Matir Medha. Don't break in between. Swatha Matir Medha. Okay. Swatha Matir Medha. Da is also Mahaprana. Shrutis. There is one visarga in between T and S. So Shrutis Smritir Anuttama. Okay. Shrutis Smritir Anuttama. Sarvaudhana Prita Chitta Yakin Yamba Swarupini Swaha Swadha Matir Medha Shrutis Smritir Anuttama. I'll repeat. Sarvaudana Prita Chitta Yagin Yamba Swarupini Swaha Swadha Matir Medha Shrutis Smritiranuttama.
Sukanya Neral. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Solungo.
Sarvaudana Prita Chitta Yakin Yamba Swarupini Swaha Swadha Matir Medha Shruti Smritir Anuttama.
Excellent, ma. We'll move on to 111. Punya Kirtif. Okay, there's one visarga in between. Punya Kirtif, Punya Labhya, Punya Shravana Kirtana, Pulo Majachita Bandha. First ba is Alpa Prana, the second one is Mahaprana. Mochani. Okay, Bharbhara Laka. Okay, the ba, first ba is 3, and then the second ba is again 3, Alpa Prana. So in some of the books it is given as Bandhuralaka. Both are the same. Both are correct only. Okay, but in practice it is Barbharalaka. Yeah. Punya Kirtif, Punya Labhya, Punya Shravana Kirtana, Pulo Majachitha Bandha Mochani Barbharalaka. Again I'll repeat. Punya Kirtif, Punya Labhya, Punya Shravana Kirtana, Pulo Majachitha Bandha Mochani Barbharalaka.
Ramya Sarati. Ramya Sarati.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma.
Punya Kirti, Punya Labhya, Punya Shravana Kirtana, Pulo Majachita Bandhat Mochani Parparalaka.
Good. Excellent. And I will go to 112th shloka.
Ma'am, last word ఒకసారి repeat చేయరా ma'am?
Barbharalaka.
Barbharalaka.
Yeah. And I'll go to 112th shloka. Vimarsha Rupini Vidya. In Vidya, the Da is Alpa Prana. Viyadadi. Viyada. Da is Alpa Prana. Di is Alpa Prana. Jagat Prasuhu. Okay. Ga is Alpa Prana. Jagat Prasuhu. Then one Visarga there. Sarva Vyadhi. Tha is Mahaprana. Prashamani. It is not Prasamani. It is Prashamani. Sarva Mrityu Nivarini. Vimarsharupini Vidya. Viyadadi Jagat Prasuhu. Sarva Vyadhi Prashamani. Sarva Mrityu Nivarini. I'll repeat. Vimarsharupini Vidya. Viyadadi Jagat Prasuhu. Sarva Vyadhi Prashamani. सर्वमृत्युनिवारिणी.
Monica Sendil.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma.
विमर्शरूपिणी विद्या वियदादि जगत् प्रसुः
Prasuhu. It is a Dirghaman. Prasuhu.
प्रसुः सर्वव्याधि प्रशमनी सर्वमृत्युनिवारिणी.
Yeah. Sarvavyadhi. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sarvavyadhi. Okay.
Yeah. It's a very important
Vyadhi.
shloka. You know, we are all just facing the pandemic period now. It's a very important shloka. Sarvavyadhi prashamani sarvamrityu nivarani. Okay.
Yes,
And I'll
ma'am.
move on to 113th shloka. Agrakanya. The first guy is also Alpaprana. The second one is also Alpaprana. Agrakanya. Achintya Rupa. So there is one visarga there. So Agraganya Chintya Rupa. Don't break in between Agraganya Chintya Rupa. No. It is Agraganya Chintya Rupa Kali Kalmasha Nashini Katyayini Kalahantri Kamalaksha Nishevita. Okay. Agraganya Chintya Rupa Kali Kalmasha Nashini Katyayini Kalahantri Kamalaksha Nishevita. Repeat once again. Agraganya Chintya Rupa Kali Kalmasha Nashini Katyayani Kalahantri Kamalaksha Nishevita.
Sneha Padaki.
Yes, ma'am.
Shantama.
Yes. Agraganya Chintarupa Kalikalmashanashini Katyayani Kalahantri Kamalaksha Nishevita.
Exactly. Good. I'll move on to 114th shloka. Thambula.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt. Before that, we want to ensure about your attendance as well as the new chanters to raise your hand, not the same persons. Please, I humbly request you to. New chanters, raise your hand simple. Thank you.
Can I move forward, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. Thambula. Bu is Alpaprana. Purita Mukhi. The key is Mahaprana. Dadimi. Da is Alpaprana. D is also Alpaprana. Kusuma Prabha. Bha is Mahaprana. It is not Kushuma. It is Kusuma Prabha. Then Mrigakshi. Okay. Just imagine there's one ik in between. Ga and Shi. It is Mrigakshi, Mohini, Mukhya. Ka is Mahaprana. Mridani. Da is Alpaprana. Mitra Rupini. Kambula Purita Mukhi. Dadimi Kusuma Prabha. Mrigakshi, Mohini, Mukhya. Mridani, Mitra Rupini. Repeat once again. Tambula Purita Mukhi. Dadimi Kusuma Prabha. Mrigakshi, Mohini, Mukhya. Mridani, Mitra Rupini.
Kolusu Shilpa.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma.
Tambulapuritamukhi Dadimi Kusumaprabha Mrugakshi Mohini Mukhya Mridani Mitra Rupini.
Good, ma. We'll move on to 105th shloka. Nitya Triptha Bhakta Nidhir. Bha is Mahaprana. Again, Nidhir. He is Mahaprana. Niyantri Nikhileshwari. The Kha is also Mahaprana. Then Maitriyadhi. It is not Maitaryadi, it's Maitriyadhi. The Da is Alpaprana. Di. Vasana. Then Labhya. The Ba is Mahaprana. Mahapranaya Sakshini. Nitya Tripta Bhakta Nidhir. Niyantri Nikhileshwari. Maitriyadi Vasana Labhya Mahapranaya Sakshini. And repeat again. Nitya Triptha Bhakta Nidhir Niyantri Nikhileshwari. Maitriyadi Vasana Labhya Mahapranaya Sakshini.
Chandrakala Kranti.
Yeah, I am here. Nityatrupta Bhakta Nidhir Niyantri Nikileshwari Maityadhivasana Labhya Mahapralaya Sakshini.
Yeah. Chandrakala, it is vandu Nitya Trupta ma. Okay, it is not Trupta. Okay, Nitya Trupta.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. ஒரே ஒரு டவுட் மேம். இந்த இத் யாதி இருக்கு சவுண்ட் இல்லையா மேம்?
மைத்ரியாதி.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma. Yeah. Is that clear, Chandrakala? On 115th shloka?
Yes.
Yeah. We'll move on to 160. Parashaktif. Okay, there is one visarga there. Parashaktif. Paranishtha. Mahaprana. Ta is Mahaprana. Prajnana. Ghana Rupini. Ta is Mahaprana. Madhri. Ta is Mahaprana. Panalasa. It is not Banalasa, it is Panalasa. Matta Matrukha Varna Rupini. Parashaktif Paranishtha Prajnana Ghana Rupini. Madhri Panalasa Matta Matrukha Varna Rupini. Again I will repeat. Parashaktif Paranishtha Prajnana Ghana Rupini. Madhvi Phanalasa Matta Matrukha Varna Rupini.
Sushila Kandula.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, which Nitya Trupta?
Parashakti ma 116th
Okay,
shloka.
I'm sorry. Parashakti Paranishtha Prajnana Ghana Rupini. Madhvi Phanalasa Matta Matruka Varna Rupini.
Good ma. We move on to 117th shloka. Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrunala Mrudu Dorlatha. Okay, the do is Alpa Prana. Dorlatha, the do is also Alpa Prana. Dorlatha. Mahaniya Daya Murtir. Da is also Alpa Prana. Mahasamrajya Shalini. Yeah. Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrunala Mrudu Dorlatha. Mahaniya Daya Murtir. Mahasamrajya Shalini. I'll repeat. Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrunala Mrudu Dorlatha. Mahaniya Daya Murtir. Mahasamrajya Shalini.
P. Jayaprabha, A139. P. Jayaprabha, A139. Adhya.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrinala Mritudolladha Mahaniya Daya Murtir Mahasamrajya Shalini.
Good ma, it is Dorlatha. It is not Lada. Dorlatha. Okay?
Dorlatha. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma.
Ma'am,
I'll move on.
ta or ka?
Huh?
Dorlatha or ka?
Dorlatha.
Ta only.
Yeah. Then
Ma'am, Daya Murtira.
Yeah, Daya Murtir.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. I'll move on to 118th shloka. Atma Vidya. The Da is Alpa Prana. Mahavidya. Da is Alpa Prana. Sri Vidya. Again, the Da is Alpa Prana. Kama Sevita. Then Sri Shodashakshari. Okay. Da is Alpa Prana. Shodashakshari. Vidya. Again, Alpa Prana. Da is Alpa Prana. Trikuta Kamakotika. Atma Vidya Mahavidya Shri Vidya Kama Sevita. Shri Shodashakshari Vidya Trikuta Kamakotika. Repeat once again. Atma Vidya Mahavidya Shri Vidya Kama Sevita. Shri Shodashakshari Vidya Trikuta Kamakotika.
Indirani. Indrani, please unmute. You are there. You raised a hand.
Shall I tell, ma'am?
No, ma'am. We are giving only one chance. So many times you are raising.
आत्मविद्या मगाविद्या श्रीविद्या कामसेविता श्री षोडशास्त्री विद्या त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका.
1 minute, ma. Shri. It is not Sri. Shri Shodashakshari. Shri Shodashakshari Vidya. It is Trikuta Kamakotika. It's not
श्री
Trikuta.
षोडशास्त्री विद्या त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका.
Trikuta Kamakotika.
त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका.
Ma'am,
Repeat once
Shriya,
again.
Shriya, ma'am.
Shri
SRE.
Shodashakshari.
Ma'am, SRE, Shriya, Shri, SHRE.
SHRE. Yeah, Shri. Atmavidya Mahavidya Shri Vidya Kamasevita Shri Shodashakshari Vidya Trikuta Kamakotika. I'll move on to 119th sloka. Kataksha Kinkari. Kinkari adu. Bhuta. Who is Mahaprana? Kamala Koti Sevita. Then Shirastitha. It is not Sira. It is Shirastitha. The Tha is Mahaprana. Chandra. Da is Alpaprana. Nibha. Tha is Mahaprana. Bhalasthendra. Bha is Mahaprana. Thendra. The is Mahaprana. Bhalasthendra. Tha is again Alpaprana. Dhanu. That's Dha is Mahaprana. There is one Visarga in between Nu and Ip. So Dhanuf Prabha. Tha is also Mahaprana. Listen carefully. Kataksha Kinkari Bhuta Kamala Koti Sevita Shirastha Chandra Nibha Bhalasthendra Dhanuf Prabha Kataksha Kinkari Bhuta Kamala Koti Sevita Shirastha Chandra Nibha Bhalasthendra Dhanuf Prabha.
Ramalakshmi, A96. Ramalakshmi, A96.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Kadakshara Gingari Puda Kamala Kodi Sevita Shirak Siddha Chandranibha Balasthendira Dhanuf Prabha.
It is Kataksha Kinkari. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So I'll move on to 120th shloka. Kritayastha. The Da is Alpaprana. Kritayastha. Ta is Mahaprana. Ravi Prakhya. Ka is also, it's not Pragya. It is Prakhya. Ka is Mahaprana. Trikonanthara Deepika. D is also Alpaprana. Then Dakshayani. Da is Alpaprana. Daitya Hantri. Da is Dai. Dai is the Alpaprana. Daitya Hantri. Daksha. Okay, it is not Taksha, it is Daksha Yajna Vinashini. Kritayasthara Viprakhya Trikonantara Deepika Dakshayani Daityahantri Daksha Yajna Vinashini. Repeat. Kritayasthara Viprakhya Trikonantara Deepika Dakshayani Daityahantri Daksha Yajna Vinashini.
Ashutosh Mantha, BB49. Ashutosh?
Namaste.
Yeah.
Namaste, ma.
One. Hrudayasthara Viprakhya Trikonantara Deepika Dakshayini Daityahantri Daksha Yajna Vinashini.
Yeah, it is Hrutayastha. It is not Hrutayastha. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Good, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we'll move on to 121st shloka. Dharandolita. It is not Taran. It is Da. Alpaprana there. Da is Alpaprana. Dolita. Do is also Alpaprana. Dirghakshi. D is Alpaprana. Kha. Da is Mahaprana. Dirghakshi. Then Dara. Da is Alpaprana. Hasod. Dara Hasod. Jwalan Mukhi. The Ki is Mahaprana. Then Guru Murtir. Gu is Alpaprana. Guna Nidhir. Gu is also Alpaprana. And then Nidhir. Tha is Mahaprana. Gomata, go is alpa prana. Guha, jan, gu is alpa prana. Janma, bhu. The bhu is mahaprana. There is one visarga after that bhu. Okay, listen carefully. Darandolita dirghakshi darahaso jvalanmukhi gurumurtir gunanidhit gomata guhajanma bhu. Can repeat. Darandolita dirghakshi darahaso jvalanmukhi gurumurtir gunanidhir gomata guhajanma bhu.
Garapati Indira Devi. Garapati.
Darandolita dirghakshi darahasojvalanmukhi gurumurtir gunanidhir gomata guhojanma bhuhu.
Good, ma. Good, excellent. We'll move on to 122nd shloka. Deveshi. De is alpa prana. Danda. Da is alpa prana. Da is alpa prana. Dandani is tha. Tha is mahaprana. Taha. Da. Daha. Da is alpa prana. Daha rakasha rupini. Then pratipan mukhya. Ka is mahaprana. Rakhanta. Then tithi. The second T is mahaprana. Mandala. Da is alpa prana. Pujita. It's not bhujita, it is pujita. Deveshi dandani tistha daharaka sharupini pratipan mukhya rakhanta tithi mandala pujita. Again I'll repeat. Deveshi dandani tistha daharaka sharupini pratipan mukhya rakhanta tithi mandala pujita.
Sai Saujanya.
Yes, ma'am. Deveshi dandani tistha daharakasha rupini pratipana mukhya rakhantha tithi mandala pujita.
Good, ma, it is pratipan. It's not pratipana. It's pratipan mukhya rakhanta. Okay?
Pratipan mukhya rakhanta. Okay.
Yes. We'll move to 123. Yeah, it's going to be the last shloka for this session.
Ma'am, is it mukhya rakhanta? Mukha rakhanta?
Mukhya rakhanta.
Ya is there, ya.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We'll move on to 123rd shloka. Kalatmika kalanatha. Tha is mahaprana. Kavya lapha vinodini. So da is alpa prana. Vinodini. In some books it may be given as vimodini. Both are right. It's patapeta. Then sachamara ramavani. It is not sasamara. It is sachamara ramavani. Okay, it's vani. Vani. Savya dakshina sevita. That is alpa prana here. Dakshina sevita. Every akshara matters. So you have to be very careful. Yeah. Kalatmika kalanatha kavya lapa vinodini sachamara ramavani savya dakshina sevita. I'll repeat once again. Kalatmika kalanatha kavya lapa vinodini sachamara ramavani savya dakshina sevita.
Lakshmi Subramanian.
Kalatmika kalanata kavya labha vinodini sachamara ramavani savya dakshina sevita.
Good, ma, it is kavya lapa. It is not labha. Lapa.
Okay, ma'am. Kavya lapa.
Yeah. Priya, I think we have finished our target, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am. And now you are going to recite it right from beginning, ma'am. 94 to 1.
You want me to recite?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
before
Okay.
that, I request once again the iPad, iPhone names. Can you please rename it? Then only I can give you chance to read. Because if I call one iPhone, other iPhone member will open. So please make it a point. At least put it in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Over to you.
Priya, it's from 94, Kanna, right?
Yes, ma'am. 94 to 123.
Okay. I request everyone to be in mute mode. Yeah. Kumaragananathamba तुष्टिः पुष्टिर्मतिर्धृतिः शान्तिः स्वस्तिमती कान्तिर्नन्दिनी विघ्ननाशिनी तेजोवती त्रिनयना लोलाक्षी कामरूपिणी मालिनी हंसिनी माता मलयाचलवासिनी सुमुखी नलिनी सुभृश शोभना सुरनायिका कालकंठी कांतिमती शोभिनी सूक्ष्मरूपिणी वज्रेश्वरी वामदेवी वयोवस्था विवर्जिता सिद्धेश्वरी सिद्धविद्या सिद्धमाता यशस्विनी विशुद्धि चक्र निलया रक्तवर्णा त्रिलोचना खट्वांगादि प्रहरणा वदनैकसमन्विता पायसान्न प्रिया त्वक्था पशुलोक भयंकरी अमृतादि महाशक्ति समृद्धा डाकिनीश्वरी अनाहताब्जनिलया श्यामाभा वदनत्वया दंष्ट्रोज्ज्वलाक्षमालाधि धरा रुधिरसंस्थिता कालरात्र्यादि शक्त्यौघ वृता स्निग्धौतनप्रिया महावीरेन्द्र वरदा राखिण्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी मणिपूराब्जनिलया वदनत्रय संयुता वज्रादिखायुधोपेदा डामर्यादिभिरावृता रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा गुडान्न प्रीतमानसा समस्त भक्त सुखदा लाखिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी स्वाधिष्ठानां भुजगथा चतुर्वक्त्रमनोहरा शूलाद्यायुध संपन्ना पीतवर्णातिगर्विता मेधोनिष्ठा मधुप्रीता बन्धिन्यादि समन्विता दध्यन्नासक्तहृदया काकिनी रूपधारिणी मूलाधारां भुजारूढा पंचवक्त्रास्ति संस्थिता अंकुशादि प्रहरणा वरदादिनिषेविता मुद्गौदना सक्तचित्ता साखिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी आज्ञाचक्राब्जनिलया शुक्लवर्णा षडानना मज्जा संस्था हंसवती मुख्य शक्ति समन्विता हरिद्रानैकरसिका हाकिनी रूपधारिणी सहस्रदल पद्मस्था सर्ववर्णोपशोभिता सर्वायुध धरा शुक्ल संस्थिता सर्वतोमुखी सर्वोदन प्रीतचित्ता याकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी स्वाहा स्वधामतिर्मेधा श्रुतिस्मृतिरनुत्तमा पुण्यकीर्तिः पुण्यलभ्या पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तना पुलोमजार्चिता बन्धमोचनी बर्बरालका विमर्शरूपिणी विद्या वियधादि जगत् प्रसूः सर्वव्याधि प्रशमनी सर्वमृत्युनिवारिणी अग्रगण्या चिन्त्यरूपा खलिकल्मषनाशिनी कात्यायनी कालहन्त्री कमलाक्षनिषेविता ताम्बूलपूरितमुखी दाडिनी कुसुमप्रभा मृगाक्षी मोहिनी मुख्या मृडानी मित्ररूपिणी नित्यतृप्ता भक्तनिधिर्नियन्त्री निखिलेश्वरी मैत्र्यादिवासना लभ्या महाप्रणयसाक्षिणी पराशक्तिः परानिष्ठा प्रज्ञानघनरूपिणी माध्वीफानालसा मत्था मातृकावर्णरूपिणी महाकैलासनिलया मृणालमृदुधोर्लथा महनीया दयामूर्तिर्महासाम्राज्यशालिनी आत्मविद्या महाविद्या श्रीविद्या कामसेविता श्रीषोडशाक्षरी विद्या त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका कटाक्षकिङ्करी भूत कमला कोटिसेविता शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा भालस्तेन्द्र धनुः प्रभा हृदयस्था रविप्रख्या त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका दाक्षायणी दैत्यहन्त्री दक्षयज्ञविनाशिनी दरान्दोलितदीर्घाक्षी दरहासोज्ज्वलन्मुखी गुरुमूर्तिर्गुणनिधिर् गोमाता गुहजन्मभूः देवेशी दण्डनीतिस्था सहराकाशरूपिणी प्रतिपन्मुख्यराकान्त तिथिमण्डलपूजिता कलात्मिका कलानाथा काव्यालापविनोदिनी सचामररमावाणी सव्यदक्षिणसेविता
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.